Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the trigger lock on your hedge trimmer, first make sure the engine has cooled. To prevent the engine from accidentally starting, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug. Now remove all of the screws holding the handle base and cover together. Carefully remove the handle cover and use a clamp to secure the handle base to the gearbox assembly. Now lift out the old trigger lock. Before you install the new trigger lock, make sure the spring is in place on the handle base. Align the new trigger lock with the trigger and spring. Make sure the throttle cable is inserted into the groove in the handle base. Then carefully remove the clamp, support the base, and realign the handle cover. Replace the screws. Be aware you will need to thread the larger screws through the nuts to secure. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your hedge trimmer should be ready for use.